Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Ford AM 8-Track out of a 1973 Mustang Mach 1. It is now an AM-FM 8-Track with a lot more output power. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so let's turn her on.
But people say that sent a signal to Putin. That sent a
Okay,
signal,
and while we're
signal
on
to
this, let's check our
China,
balance.
sent a signal to the
Balance left,
Islamo-Nazi regime
balance right,
in Tehran.
left, say something,
And the right.
and right, say something quickly.
And if we stop funding the people in
there we
Ukraine,
go.
what kind of signal will that send? That's Europe.
Okay, now let's adjust the
That's
virtual
not some hilly location over there.
front rear
That is
fader.
Europe, where two wars have broken out. World War I.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now
Unfortunately, I'm reading some of the
this tone control is
moronic,
adjusting our front to rear speaker
asinine,
balance, all the way front
stupid comments
and all the way rear. Say something quickly.
on why pacifism is the way of the future for conservatives.
Okay, I wish these guys would talk a little bit more.
Fader
Fader
set.
is set.
Labels.
Alrighty, let's go to FM, and we'll just run down the dial. And on this model, we go from AM to FM by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off on.
Young Thug, and of course his relationship with Nipsey.
Okay, now we're on FM, so
Oscar mi madre.
I'm still standing on the only rock. The last time.
Continued to work hard, maybe harder than.
Try to recall. Away.
Just telling me no, just stick.
5 years alone. We're
If you pay
The suburbs.
I never thought I'd.
okay, there's our AM. Let's try the 8-track.
When your flags are unfurled, tugging down the track, got a train, I'm gonna beat you to you. Where is you? Up and live, get up now. And we'll settle down and never say goodbye. That life's worth the living.
Ready? Okay, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on, and it does. You probably can't see it, but I can. So it's good. She's ready to go back, and this is my last video of the night. Next thing I'm going to do is cuddle up with a cat. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, awaiting my time with my cat. And you've just seen what I can do to an AM radio. I can make it FM, AM, FM. And this comes from Greg in Nicholasville, Kentucky. And Greg requested just the FM conversion with none of the other fancy bells and whistles, except for my cool master input-output box, which you've seen it in other videos. But here's my input-output box where you can connect an external amplifier. There's your 4-channel preamp outputs, left, right, front, and rear, subwoofer output, and aux input is going to be those two jacks right there. They're all labeled for easy identification. And so I'm out of here. For service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me to ask about my prices and turn times, because it's all in the work order right there, and you're going to have to fill out a work order anyway to do business with me. So go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my prices and options and all that. And then after you've got my work order in your hand, you're welcome to call me, but please don't call me until you've read my work order. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Greg, for your business all the way from Nicholasville, Kentucky, and we will see you guys next time.